All right, here we go with 10.6. The vocabulary, there's quite a bit of words here. Some of them you might know, some of them you probably don't. Circle, the set of all points, the same distance from a single point. So from a single point, you can make what's called a circle, the same distance all the way around. And this is given by a circle with a dot in it and then whatever letter is in the middle. So circle P. Radius goes from the middle of the circle to the circle. So in this case, you could say AP could be a radius, line segment AP. You could say line segment CP, or you can say line segment BP are all radii. Diameter goes from one side of the circle to the other through the center. So line segment AB could be a diameter. Central angle is where a vertex is at the center of the circle. So angle APC or angle CPB would be central angles because their vertexes are at the center of the circle. Semicircle is a half a circle. So line segment AB, well, actually, an arc, you put an arc above it, arc AB. You could say ACB is also a semicircle. Major arc, an arc that is bigger than a semicircle. Usually you name a major arc with 3 letters so people will know which direction you're talking about. So if I say CAB, then you know I'm going this direction. If I just say CB, then I would go like this. But because I said CAB, we're going around this direction. Or, BAC. They're both the same thing. Minor arc is less than 90 degrees. So like AC, arc AC, or arc CB. Those are both minor arcs. All right, the next one is circumference. So circumference is the distance around the circle. So it's like perimeter, except now you're doing a circle, so the distance around the circle. The arc length AC, arc length would be an example of how far it is from A to C, would be an example of the arc length. And you'll get the formula for that later. Area, the space inside of a circle. So how much does the shape take up? How much space does it take up? Sector is like a piece of pie or a piece of pizza. So you're going to do angle APC plus the arc AC. So all of this in here. And the ratio between the circumference of the diameter in a circle is going to be pi, which is 3.14. So no matter how big the circle is, you take the distance around the circle and divide it by the diameter, you'll come out with close to 3.14. All right, minor arc. Minor arc is going to be, well, let's come up here. Circumference means the distance around the circle. And arc is part of a circle. Excuse me. So a minor arc is smaller than a semicircle. And a semicircle is half a circle. Semicircle is half a circle. major arc that contains point A. So DAE would be an example. DAE, more than 180. More than a semicircle. Arc, the measure of a semicircle is 180. The measure of a minor arc is a measure of the corresponding central angle. So here's three different types. You have a semicircle, TRS, which equals 180. You have a minor arc, which is less than 180. So in this case, arc RS. And then here you have a major arc, which is more than 180. So in this problem, BC, arc BC, because this is a central circle, is going to be 32 degrees. Central circle. Central angle. All right, BD. BD is going to be 32 plus the 58, which equals 90. So from here to here is 90 degrees. ABC, ABC. So this is a semicircle right here, A, B, and C. So 180 minus the 32. We want ABC, so it's a semicircle. So 180. All right, and then AB, arc AB is going to be 180 minus the 32, which is 148.